In this video, let's look at alert condition function. So this is the oldest and probably the least flexible function for alerts in PineScript, but still I think it's important to understand how it works, and for simple cases it will be quite useful for you. So here I have a simple example of an indicator. So alert condition work only in indicators and doesn't work for strategies. So here I have like simple indicator. This is our Bollinger Band strategy. Here I have it on my chart. And to create an alert for your signals, what you have to do, you have to call alert condition function. And it has three arguments. The first one is Boolean condition. It should be true or false. So here, for example, I like trigger two conditions on when my price cross over upper Bollinger Bands and when my close price cross under lower Bollinger Bands. So it's, as you can see, it's quite basic. So second argument is your alert title, and the third one will be like your default alert message. So as you can see, it's quite simple. To create an alert based on a script with alert condition function, you have to add it to your chart you want to receive alert from, and then you can click this button, create alert, on the top, and this will open like a dialog window for creating an alert in PineScript. So if you did everything right with adding your indicator to your chart, here on the top window you should see alert condition, basically the name of your script. And here I have alert condition name, and just click on it, and here in the second drop down you should see like all your custom alerts you created. So I have two of them, so it's cross lower title and cross upper title. So as you can see, it seems to work. So you can select one of them, for example cross lower, and after that you have to specify like how often and when to trigger your alerts. And here you have four options for that. So you can trigger it only once, so basically after one trigger your alert will be deactivated and it will never fire again. Also you can specify that you want to run it every bar. So for example, if your alert was triggered once inside the bar, it will wait for the bar to end, and only after that it will be reactivated, and PineScript will check for it again. Also, you can specify that you don't want it to be once per bar, but it will check only for the last price of your bar, so basically at close. And also you can specify that you want to check your alert every minute. After that, you can specify like expiration time, alert actions. So here you can see you have quite a lot of different actions. And after that, you can specify alert name and the message, and that's basically it. You can create your alert and it will be immediately created. So here you can see this is my newly alert that I created just now. I mentioned to you that this like alert condition alert is like not flexible and it's static. That's not like fully true. Actually, you can do something to customize it a bit. So here I already created like a pretty simple alert, also based on my alert condition function. And here in the message, you can see that my message is a bit tricky. So here I have number of placeholders you can use in your alert message, and PineScript kind of in real time when alert happened will go and check values for these placeholders and will replace these placeholders with values, corresponding values. And let's go quickly through these placeholders, and I will explain you what they all mean. So here on top I have pretty basic information, like you can specify like a ticker your alert fired for and exchange for the ticker, and also you can get interval for basically your time frame for your indicator. Also you can get just some basic data for the current bar, so open time of the bar. Time now will output you time for when alert fired actually. Also you can get like open, high, low and close and volume for your bar as well, so that's not a problem. Nice part is that actually you can also paste here some values from your chart, so you can plot some things on your chart, and after that you can specify with the plot placeholder, you can specify what line do you want to get like value from. And as you can see, it's quite easy. So plot 0 will get like the first line you plotted on your chart. It will get its value and will plot it, and will populate my alert with it. Plot 1 its second one, and so on. So it's quite easy. A problem with this plot functionality is that if you will rearrange your plotting, that can break your alert, so that's not very useful. What you can do, actually, you can specify like a title for your plots, and after that you can use a placeholder with like a sort of function, plot function, and here in the brackets you can specify like a title of your value you want to include in your alert, and this will work quite fine as well. So here, for example, like a plot, like my basis upper and lower, so PineScript will kind of read this and will include these values to me. So I already fired a few alerts with this stuff. So if I'll hover my mouse over this stuff, you can see that it seems to work quite well. We have all the values populated for me, so everything I asked for, so like values for my lines for open, high, low, close values, and so on. So this way you can kind of customize your alerts at least somehow. In the next videos I will show you a bit more advanced alerts that will allow you to create completely customizable texts in them.